Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to create a file in Linux using different ways. Chapter 1. Create empty Linux file using dual operator. To begin, open the terminal. In the console, you will use the operator as you see on the screen to create your file. Let's check that it is a blank file without content. Use the head command and the name of the file so you can see that it does not have any text. Chapter 2. Create Linux file using touch. To begin, open the terminal, then run the on-screen command to create your file on Linux with this option. You can see that the file has been created using the command ls. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. Create Linux file using operator with text. To begin, open the terminal. Then enter the command on the screen indicating the desired text and which file will be addressed. Use the on-screen command to verify that the text has been added to the file you specified. In case it is necessary to add more text, you will use the on-screen command next to the double operator. This allows you to attach text to the file. After this, you will use the on-screen command to see that the text was successfully added to the file. Chapter 4. Create Linux file using cat. To start, you will open the terminal. Run the cat command we use on screen to create your file on Linux. When you click enter, you will enter the desired text. To save your changes, use the Ctrl+D keys. You can use the on-screen command to see that the file has been created with the entered text. If you need to add text to this file, use the on-screen command, then enter the content and use the Ctrl+D keys to save the changes. Again, use the on-screen command to see that text has been added based on what you've entered. Chapter 5. Create Linux file using T. To begin, open the terminal. USA the command you see to create your file in Linux. Now you are going to enter the text you want to the file. Use the Ctrl+C keys to apply the changes. You will see that this text was added to the file with the command executed on the screen. If you need to replace the text of the file, you will use the echo command that we use on the screen. Then, validate with the head command that the text in the file was actually replaced. Now, if you need to add more text, use the T command on the screen with the minus to parameter and the text to use. After this, it verifies that this text was actually added to the file. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.